Where did Hannah go?
What does that say, Anaya?
What?
No!
What?
I haven't been to the toilet in 4 days and it was starting to worry me, so I went to the doctor's. I arrived and the doctor felt my stomach and said it was very hard. He wanted me to take a stool sample, which means you have to shit in the cup. I had coffee for breakfast, so I was pretty much ready to go. I grabbed the cup and went to the toilet and held it up to my ass and started pushing. I didn't realize how badly coffee affected me, and the next thing you know, a strong gust of diarrhea started blasting out of my ass and I felt like a rocket ready for takeoff. I grabbed onto the door for balance because I started levitating and the cup was already full, but I couldn't stop. I was holding onto the door for dear life and the shit was spitting out like a shotgun. I eventually stopped and looked at the glass cup of my shit and there were cracks all over the glass. I heard the desk lady shouting for everyone to get under the chair and to call the police. I got scared thinking what is going on outside, so I quickly cleaned myself up and rushed out of the bathroom to see everyone crying and hiding under the chairs because they thought there was an active shooter in the building. I said it was just my shit and everyone got up. Anyways, I have bowel cancer.
The shot to take a load off, my brain is poisoned and I'm searching for the antidote, but every time I find it my defenses scream, oh no you don't. Whoa. Yada 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 yada.
You should know you're beautiful just the way you are, and you don't have to change a thing.
Damn, bro, you got the whole squad laughing. Gen Z Judge Judy, make it happen. Speaking of Judge Judy, have y'all ever seen her standing up? That woman be thick. That's no cap, Your Honor.
Oh, silly putty. I like silly putty, like ice cream on a rock. Wow, you paint it fast and then you sandpaper it down quickly. What?
We know you're upset about
Can I perform something for you guys real quick? We've got in cursor. Shamar, we've been learning about parametric, so I just want you to know this song is for you. Parametric.
There's no way she's doing it.
Parametrics don't play by the rules, okay? So you say. I'm just trying to solve some miracles. Just trying. So I'm solving my math question on the test and I might fail. You ask me why I got this number everywhere. I'm lost, trying to delay on my
I'm in shock that this is happening.
Thank you.
There's no way she just had the balls to do that.
Where to?
Home. I'm going home.
Woman! I don't know where the fuck you live.
Oh.
Yeah. Mrs. Gunnerka, I have a request to go to the nurse's office, for I am feeling unwell. No, I would not be going to the nurse's office, who just so happens to also be my mother. so I could simply take a nap and skip out on my classes. But if you let me go now because I have a severe case of the coughs, I will forget about this whole situation and won't report it to the superintendent, who just so happens to also be my father as well. So, pick your poison, Mrs. Gunnerka. You'll let me go? Wise choice. See you later, idiots! Because while you're doing classwork and improving your eaters, I'll be taking my daily afternoon Z's. See you at the board meeting, Mrs. Gunnerka. Bye, guys.
With a finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and they hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see, so much to learn. Take in the back streets. You never know if you don't go. Never shine if you don't.
Okay, go for it.
Back at it again at Krispy Kreme.
Patrick, this is a wishing well. Just throw in a coin and make a wish.
Okay, magical talking trash can. I wish SpongeBob were here to see this. Yay!
That was inappropriate. You can leave now. You can leave. You can leave. Get off the stage and leave.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you look to the right side of your aircraft, you will notice Flight 198 challenging us to a race. I've turned the fasten seatbelt sign back on because shit is about to get real.